Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to buy real estate investments on the stock market using the Robinhood app. You don't need to purchase a house or a commercial building to invest in real estate. Through the Robinhood app, you can invest in real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs or real estate ETFs. These investments allow you to gain exposure to the real estate market by buying shares just like regular stocks. Keep in mind that real estate investments can go up or down in value, and some REITs also pay dividends. Before investing, always research the company or fund and make sure it fits your investment goals. Now let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type the name or ticker symbol of the REIT or real estate ETF you want to invest in. You can also search for terms like REIT or real estate ETF to explore available options. Tap on the investment you want to learn more about. Review the company's information, historical performance, dividend details, analyst ratings, holdings, and recent news. Take your time to research before making an investment decision. Once you're ready, tap Trade, then select Buy. By default, you can enter the amount you want to invest in dollars. If you prefer, tap dollars to switch to shares or another available order type. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review your order carefully, including the investment amount and estimated purchase details. If everything looks correct, swipe up to submit your order. Once your order is filled, your REIT or real estate ETF will appear in your Robinhood portfolio. You can monitor its performance, view dividend payments if applicable, and add more shares over time if it fits your investment strategy. Remember that investing in REITs or real estate ETFs gives you exposure to the real estate market, but it doesn't mean you directly own physical property. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.